Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lovely small hand tie with roses and carnations with greenery around. To start off with, I would put the roses in the middle and mix the two colours, and then I could add some green chrysanthemums and start adding the carnations, keeping it very tight. This is very important to keep it tight so it doesn't lose the shape. All, of course, depends on what kind of style of hand tie you're going for. If you like them a lot looser, then you just hold the stem further down so it will be more loose like this. And then once I have the carnations in place, the chrysanthemums, in place, I would then keep going with the carnations and keep spiraling the stems so they're always going in the same direction, whether that's this way or you like to go the other way. Once I've done a ring of carnations, I would then start adding the roses back in. And then to finish it off, I would add some greenery. Today I have hard ruscus, just 2 stems. I put that at one side and then the opposite side, and then 2 pieces of fern. And there you have it, a beautiful hand tie that's very tight and could be called a posy as well because of the round shape. And then all I would do to finish that off is tie it or tape it and cut all the stems at an even length. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you'd like to see more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.